To create your graph in Excel, the first thing you need to do is place your manipulated variable data in column A and your responding variable data in column B. Then you are going to click on your first data point, so in this case column A, row 2. So click and drag until you have all of your data highlighted, not the headings that tell you what your data actually is in that column. To get the graph, go to the Insert tab, and then in the Charts part up front, you're going to look at the one that has just the dots. It's called a scatter plot. In Excel, don't use what they call a line chart. That is not the same thing as a line graph that you do. The line graph is really a scatter plot in Excel. You're going to click on that, and you can have it where it connects the points for you, but for this lab we're going to be creating a best fit line, so you're going to pick the one that just has the dots. When you click on that graph, it automatically creates the graph for you in the worksheet. But you still need to get the title and all the axes. So you can click right on the chart title and type in a chart title there. The axes are already labeled for you with the numbers, but you do need to put actual labels in there. Now, since there's nothing there now, you actually need to insert that. So go to Add Chart Element. It should already be on the Design tab under Chart Tools, which is where you're going to add all of these things. Go to Axes Titles. Your primary horizontal axis will pop up, and it just says axis title right now, so you would need to go in and put in a title for that axis. Then go to Add Chart Element, Axes Titles, a primary vertical. Same thing, click there a couple of times to highlight that, or just hit delete. And then you can type in the title there. And the last thing you need to do for the gases lab is create the best fit line. So you're going to go to Add Chart and Element, go to Trend Line, and then you are going to want a linear trend line. However, if you click on that option, it won't give you the equation for the line, which you need in order to answer some of the conclusion questions. So you're going to go to More Trend Line Options, and then over here, it should give you the option Then if you go over to these bars under the trend line options, this is where it's going to allow you to pick whether you want a linear, exponential, etc. We do want a linear for this one, but we need the equation on the chart. So we're going to go down to Display Equation on the chart, and then you have all the information you need in order to do your lab. Now do print out the chart or the graph to go with your lab. If you click on it, you should be able to just go to File and Print from there, and it will print just the chart itself on one sheet of paper.